My name is Omid, and I'm about to teach you about to. Okay, so about to. What does it mean and how do we use it? Well, let's look at an example to really understand this. I am about to clean my room. I want you to think for a moment. Do you think this sentence is about the past, the present, or the future? So, I'm about to clean my room. If you said this is about the future, you're correct. We use about to when we are talking about something we will do very soon in the future. We are not talking about far in the future. We usually use will for that. We are talking about very, very soon, like in the next 5 minutes or in the next couple of minutes. So, I am about to give you some examples of about to. So, we have here I as a subject. I am about to. And then after about to, we have a verb. I put this in color to help you remember it better. We have you are about to and the verb. She or he is about to and a verb. We are about to and a verb. You guys are about to and a verb. I've put here you guys, which is a bit informal. But when we are talking about a group of people in an informal situation, we can use you guys. And they are about to with a verb. So what can we do with the verbs here? Well, if you look up here, I have I'm about to clean my room. We keep the verb in the infinitive in this case. I am about to study English. You are about to listen to me speak. She is about to watch TV. We are about to go to the gym. You guys are about to listen Justin Bieber. They are about to take a shower. Okay, so now let's do some together. Let's put the verb in a proper form together. Just to remember, when we are talking about to, we are talking about the future, and usually we are talking about either the immediate future, meaning the next 5-10 minutes, or the next couple of hours, or we can also be talking about soon. Soon is different for different people. So I might be talking about in the next couple of days or in the next couple of weeks. But what I really mean is soon. Okay, so I can say, I am about to go on vacation. And that means soon I will go on vacation. Okay, so now let's do some examples together. I am about to. How can we change this verb into the proper form? I am about to. Well, this was a trick question. You said call, and we had a little period here. You're correct. It's very easy to use about to. We just need the subject, am, about to, and the verb. Alright, let's look at the next example together. Adnan is blank, do homework. Now I want to talk about Adnan in the immediate future. What he's going to do very soon. So what can we put here? If you said about to, you're correct. Adnan is about to do his homework. Now let's do one more. Jess is about to, and here we have the verb study. So again, very easy. What do we write? Jess is about to study, which means she's going to study soon. Okay? I hope you are about to subscribe to my channel. There you can find a lot of really great resources on all sorts of things English. I have covered a lot of topics, so I hope you check that out. Until next time, thanks for watching and take care.